Would you like to be able to use your Sony NP style batteries for a variety of uses? Well, stay tuned. I'm going to show you a device to consider. Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Fotga power adapter plate converter for a dual NP-550 battery. Spoiler alert, you can use more than the 5, but we'll go into that later. And 3 things you need to know about it. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd really appreciate that. Please look in the description for the URL to use to purchase this item. Thing number 1, this converts industry standard Sony NP style batteries to other uses. And it's got some interesting possibilities, especially in emergency situations. Thing number 2, this requires 2 batteries to work. It will act like it may try to come up with just one, but trust me, it's dead on a doornail without 2 in there, which means if one battery prematurely goes flat on you, the whole thing's going to go. But that, you just make sure you start out with fully charged batteries, and that's how you deal with that. Thing number 3, this has the option of supplying power via USB-A, USB-C, 5525 connectors, and that's the way of designating those round connectors with a center pin and then a shield, but with the plug that goes into it will have a center hole and then the shield, and that's actually measures out to 5.5 millimeters times 2.5 millimeters. And also the D-tap connector, which you see a lot in solar panel installations and in the professional photography arena. Thing number 4, you can secure this base plate to just about any surface. SmallRig has a cage attachment, so if you have a cage wrapping around your camera or video camera, there will be quarter 20 holes that this can directly connect into. If you don't have that available to you, then there is a tripod leg apparatus that you can use that goes around the leg of a tripod and has anti-slip provisions built into it. What is labeled as a red power button only shows the current SOC or state of charge of the installed batteries, so it does not turn things on and off. It'd be nice if it did. The button doesn't work if only one battery is installed. From the reviews I've read, don't plug your DSLR into this one because it's just, there's something about it. I think it doesn't have a battery regulator in it. For some purposes, it doesn't matter. For things like our favorite DSLRs, it could make a significant difference. This same concern is spelled out by the vendor or manufacturer on the Amazon sales page. So take a look at this and think about getting one today. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Please look in the description for the URL to use to purchase this item. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.